Hello friends of Christ, welcome back to our channel. In this our series of videos, I'm going to take you through the 3 theological virtues: faith, hope, and love. This particular video, faith, things that you have not yet seen but you hope for. If you are sick, if you are in financial crisis, if you are academically poor, going through emotional problems, but you hope that for some years to come, for some time to come, you will be well. That is faith. The platform of God in meeting man, faith. Faith deals with the spiritual, and it is in the spiritual that connects to the physical. So I've not seen my healing, yet I believe that I'll be healed. I've not yet seen my financial progress. I've not yet conceived, but I believe that for some time to come, it will come to reality. Although I've not seen anything, I have no idea about it, but I believe that for some time to come, it will come to pass. Also, for you to build faith is listening to the message of Christ. So for you to build your faith, it's not about listening to antenna. It's not about listening to political show. It's not about listening to movie show, but listening to God, reading the Bible. So that makes the reading of the Bible very important and essential in the life of every Christian if you want to build faith. So if you continue to reflect and read the Bible, read the events, some of the events, what happened, that is when you build your faith. What is faith? Faith, according to Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1, is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things unseen. And also, in our daily lives, faith can be defined as the belief in something without any evidential proof. Practical examples concerning faith. There's a friend of mine who was schooling in the university, who was having no faith. So I have to take him through a series of advice and also enlighten him more about the need to have faith or believe in something without any evidential proof. So it happened that after completing, he had to go for an interview for a job. So upon his arrival at the place, he saw a lot of people gathered there, which in a way was to discourage him. But he wasn't discouraged, he was still having faith that once he's present to talk to them, to give them his reasons, he's convinced that he will be taken or his name will be part of those selected. So after the interview, he was having faith. So upon this faith that he was having, when the results came, truly, he was appointed. I also like to share my personal experience with you. During my days in SHS, after writing my final exams, which is the WASI, there were some subjects I could write very well, and others I couldn't write very well. And after, I wasn't down on myself that I'm going to fail in any of them. I was having a belief, I was having a faith, although I had not seen any results, that I'm going to pass all. And truly, when the results came, I did not fail in any of them. I was able to pass. Although those I couldn't write very well, I couldn't get a high grades, but I was able to pass, which was the main goal, in order not to fail in any of them. As far as faith is concerned, in everything we have problems and challenges. There are also challenges concerning faith. And some of the challenges are disappointments, delay, and uncertainties. A practical example, which is a couple who lived for about 30 years without no child, but they still believed, they still had faith that a child will come. And this could be a disappointment, not too certain as to whether to get a child, and also delaying. You could testify to the fact that living for 30 years without a child is not easy, which could be part of the delaying. But upon all these challenges, we are all encouraged not to give up. Who knows, the next moment or the next hour, there will be a miracle of which your faith you had without any evidential proof, there will be a result to that. In today's video, you have been able to learn the definition of faith according to the Bible. So in our daily life, a practical example, and also we're able to learn some of the challenges of faith. I will encourage you to subscribe and like this video if you love it. I'm a friend of Christ, you are a friend of Christ. Together we are all friends of Christ.